In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 Game Bar not working. If your Game Bar isn't opening, the overlay won't appear, or features seem broken, a quick reinstall of its plugin through the Microsoft Store often clears out glitches and brings everything back to normal. We'll walk through this slowly, and I'll give you context as we go, so you know exactly what each action is doing. First, open the Microsoft Store. You can launch it from the taskbar if the icon is pinned, or press the Start key and type Microsoft Store to open it from search. The Store is where Windows manages trusted app installs and updates, which makes it the safest place to repair Game Bar components. Next, click Library inside the Store. You'll find Library in the left panel or along the bottom of the sidebar depending on your window size. Library shows apps and components you've installed from the store along with their update status. In the Library list, look for Xbox Game Bar plugin. This plugin works alongside the Xbox Game Bar to enable its features and integrations. If the Game Bar isn't working, the plugin may be outdated or corrupted, and refreshing it can resolve the issue without touching your games or personal files. When you find Xbox Game Bar plugin, click the three dots next to it. That opens a small menu with options for managing the item. Choose Uninstall. This removes the plugin from your system, allowing us to reinstall a fresh copy. You're only removing the plugin component here. This does not delete your games or your saved data. Give the store a moment to complete the uninstall. The entry may disappear from the library list when it's done. Now go to the Microsoft Store home. This is the main landing page where you can search for apps and components. Use the search bar to look up Xbox Game Bar plugin. Typing the exact name helps the store find the correct component quickly. Click the result to open its page so you can reinstall it. Finally, click Download. The store will fetch the latest official version and install it automatically. This ensures you have a clean, up-to-date plugin that's compatible with your current version of Windows 11 and the Game Bar app. Once the download finishes, the plugin is restored and ready to work with Game Bar again. That's it. By removing and reinstalling the Xbox Game Bar plugin through the Microsoft Store, you refresh the component that often causes the Game Bar to stop responding. This simple repair resolves many overlay and capture issues without complicated system changes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this got your Game Bar back in action.